Were you ever rejected from a role that you applied for even though you had the required skill sets? Or you are confused why your friend or colleague got the role even when both of you had the same skill sets? Well, I am Saurav Agarwal, a senior data analyst in data science, and I have failed or got rejected in more than 50 plus interviews or applications that I applied for. Upon analyzing all my rejections and failures, talking to the HRs and experts, I have come forth with 5 important reasons due to which the candidates are often rejected. Yes, in this video, we are going to talk about 5 reasons due to which a candidate often gets rejected even though they have the required skill sets. Number 5 on our list is the failure to understand the job role completely. Often we tend to overlook what the job description is about, what the role requires from us. So the next time when you apply for any position, make sure you read the job description clearly, reach out to the HRs, ask them questions about what the job requires. Number 4 on our list is not researching the company well and understanding its operations. If you do not understand where your skill set is going to be utilized by the organization, again you would not be in an advantageous position and you might lack on your ability to express your qualities in respect to the role or the working of the organization. This is often dealt with again by asking the interviewers or the HRs the right question at the right time. Now, for example, when you go out to buy a smartphone, how many smartphone companies do you look for? How many features do you compare? How many features that you want to verify and look for, like what is the best feature available? Then why not go out and research about the company that you are applying for? Go ahead and find out from the company's website what function it does, how does it utilize the capability of the job role it is specifying. Number 3 on our list is not asking enough questions or appropriate questions from the interviewer. Often in an interview, you are given a chance where the interviewer asks you if you have any relevant questions for them. This is your opportunity to understand what the company is looking for, what are the expectations of the interviewer, and how you can contribute back to the organization. Understand, an interview is not just about knowing about the interviewee. It is also more about knowing about the company well, knowing about what role you are going to work for, how you are going to work for, and how your contribution is going to be evaluated. So this becomes very important and is number 3 on our list. The number 2 reason for failure or getting rejected is not able to express how our values or how our skill sets would be able to contribute for the betterment of the organization. We might have the necessary technical skills, we might be able to surpass all the technical questions, however we are unable to match up how our skill sets would be best utilized by the organization or how our skill sets could come in value by the organization. Remember that any interview process is being conducted over hundreds and hundreds of candidates, and if you are lucky among them to receive an interview round where you are getting a chance to reach out to the interviewer, to talk to the interviewer and express your thoughts and views, make sure you make it a point that your skill sets do match with the organization's requirement and you connect the dots for the interviewer so that you are in an advantageous position. The number 1 reason on our list, this will get you rejected even before you get any interview chance. Most of the candidates, 90% of the candidates would be rejected in this particular section itself. This is the resume filtering or resume scrutiny process. The reason why most of the candidates fail here is because they haven't provided enough information in their resume which is pertaining to the skill sets that are being required by the company, or they may put something up in a manner which is not very clear to the interviewer. Remember that the interviewer or the person scrutinizing your resume has thousands and thousands of resumes to shortlist from. He or she might not be able to go through each of them in detail. They just need to have a message from you that your resume has the necessary skill sets in the required format, making it concise and to the point. Do not make a very lengthy resume, because again, if you are wasting someone's time reading your resume, you are not going to get a chance for the interview. At the same time, if you are not mentioning all your skill sets appropriately, then again you lose a chance to be taken further. For example, for the role of say data scientist, if the job profile requires you to have Python, if it requires you to have machine learning skills, if it requires you to have certain knowledge in tools such as Keras, PyTorch, then make sure if you have those skill sets, you specify it in a manner that is visible to the HR or the interview or the scrutinizer. If you are looking to choose the right template for your resume, you can visit the Google Docs link here, which I'll also attach in the description below. Head over to the template gallery. Under template gallery, you will find a section for resumes. Go ahead and choose a resume template as per your choice. There are multiple resume templates here, and you can choose any of these, which makes your resume building very concise, to the point, and effective. If you just visit over here, you can specify your name, you can give your address, skill sets, awards, your experiences, your education. If you are a fresher, never make a resume which is more than 1 page long or 1 page in length. It just makes you disadvantageous in the terms that the interviewer or the scrutinizer would have to make an added effort to review your resume. So make it a 1 page concise resume, clearly highlighting your skill sets, your experiences, and use this link. Additionally, there is one more link that I want you to refer to, which will help you to introduce yourself in interviews. Often people get stuck down when they have to introduce themselves. They often are stuck by the question that I myself don't understand about myself, or I have mentioned everything in my resume. What else do you want to know about me? Well, that is a trick question, and you must definitely be prepared for that question in any interview that you appear for. Check these two links in the description box below. If you're new to the channel, subscribe now, hit the bell icon, share it with your friends and data science enthusiasts. See you in the next lecture. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.